Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Electric skillet. Dishwasher safe and fully immersible in your sink for fast, easy cleanup upon removal of the temperature control unit. Thick cast aluminum body with black lacquer finish resists rusting or warping for added resilience. Marbleized nonstick is more durable than nonstick and will not crack or peel. It quickly releases food for a no-fuss quick and easy cleanup. Scratch-resistant surface allows for worry-free cooking. Rapid plus even heat from our fully embedded heating element. With its trigger release control probe, you can pinpoint temperatures of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prevent hot spots and scorched food. 1-year warranty and US-based customer support team. The Elite Gourmet Deep Dish Electric Skillet includes base, removable thermostat, kitchen cutting board, ultra-durable and built to last. Unlike wood or bamboo, these thick, non-porous boards are incredibly durable. Won't splinter, crack, or peel, even after many washes. No oiling or maintenance necessary. Deep juice grooves help capture runoff liquid from messy ingredients. Rubber border helps provide a secure grip on countertops, food grade and a great choice for all homes. Stays in place during prep. Make food prep easier than ever with the most durable cutting board. Its slip-resistant handle and rubber border help to reduce slipping and sliding on countertop surfaces. BPA-free and food grade. Each board is tested to comply with US regulations, food grade and food safe. Wash in the dishwasher time after time and boards will not break down. Pancake batter dispenser. Batter up. KP Kitchen proudly presents to you our durable and reliable pancake dispenser cupcake batter dispenser. Made entirely of high-quality BPA-free plastic, this easy-to-use 4-cup capacity pourer is designed with a wide mouth opening, making filling it up a breeze, and the quick close valve makes pouring the perfect pancake like a pro seem like child's play. New updated design to prevent breaking. Our redesigned pulley handle has been repositioned to ensure quality and durability. In short, IT won't break. So squeeze away pancake after pancake. Not to mention our fail-safe valve doesn't leak, leaving your hands and kitchen clean and making it safe to use by your little kids. Best of all, it's 3/4 inch wide, allowing for chunky muffin mix to slide through easy breezy. Baking dish. 6-piece set. Includes 1 9x13 x 3-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid, 1 7x11 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid, and 1 8x8 x 2.75-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. These deep baking dishes are the essentials to have in any kitchen as they are versatile in use from prepping to baking and storing. Go deeper. Add up to 50% deeper than the Pyrex Basics dishes you know and love. There's more room to get creative. Deeper size stops spillovers, and more importantly, holds more of the good stuff for your parties and gatherings. Snug fit lids. Perfectly fitting and BPA-free plastic lids are freezer, microwave, and top rack dishwasher safe. No need to hold back when warming your food or storing your leftovers for tomorrow. Dish drying rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, This dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Manual can opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans, rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut. Food dehydrator. With 6 stainless steel trays providing 6.5 square feet of drying space, this dehydrator is 27% larger than standard 7-tray models, allowing you to dry more food at once. Equipped with a 600W motor, rear-mounted drying fan, and upgraded airflow technology for faster, more even drying without manual intervention. Auto shutoff kicks in right when the timer ends. Overheat protection will activate if the dehydrator overheats. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel for durable and safe snack making. An ideal gift for those who enjoy making homemade dried foods like fruits, meats, vegetables, and pet treats and more. Perfect for various occasions like Christmas, anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, Valentine's Day, and Thanksgiving. Kitchen dishcloths. Ultra absorbent. With a plush microfiber design, these kitchen washcloths are super absorbent for quick cleanup of spills, wiping oil stains, and very durable for use over and over without losing effectiveness. Ideal for drying dishes and kitchen cleaning. Square root super soft material. Hamaxi dish rags are made of soft and thick coral velvet microfiber. They are ultra soft, fluffy, with no odor, no lint, and easy to wash. So it won't scratch the paint on your delicate tabletop, glass, and delicate materials, nor will it leave tiny scratches on the surface. Easy care, easy to wash and clean. Machine wash with cold water, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. Do not bleach and low iron if needed. We suggest washing them in cold water before using for the first time, as this will make them fluffy and more absorbent. Measuring cup. Set includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup angled measuring cups. Patented angled surface allows you to read measurements from above. Eliminates the need to fill, check, and adjust. Standard and metric measurement markings. Soft, comfortable, non-slip handle. Cup made of BPA-free and food-safe Tritan Renew, which is made from certified recycled content through a mass balance allocation process that transforms plastics destined for landfills into high-performance, food-safe materials.